Hi friends, today I would like to share the all sample answers of watch. This is very important topic of Ielts speaking part 1. The first question is that do you like to wear watch? Yes, I love to wear watch since my childhood. Watch is one of the best fashion accessory for me to enhance my style and personality. I have a great collection of watches as I never miss the chance to buy them because it is my hobby to collect different watches. The next one, how often do you wear watch? Well, I wear the watch pretty often, so there is no specific time for me. Whenever I need it or go out, I must wear my beautiful watches. The third one, what was your first watch like? I still remember the color of my first watch was red and black with cartoon dial. Actually, it was a basic children's watch. My grandmother gifted me this elegant watch when I turned 4. The fourth one, have you ever bought watch online? No, I don't like to buy watches online because I had to face a bad experience. Actually, last year I bought branded watch with a beautiful white dial and black leather strap, but the brand and color were entirely different. So I like to buy watch from the market. The fifth one, what kinds of watches do you like to wear? Well, I always like to wear watches according to the outfit and the situations. Generally, I choose convenient, durable, and aesthetically simple watches. But on special occasions, I love to wear branded and fashionable watches. Aesthetically means in a way that is related to enjoyment, pleasure, or study of beauty. The sixth one, do people still wear watches in your country? Yes, people of my country still wear watches. They consider it very essential tool or accessory that reflects their personality in front of others. I found that old and young generations are equally interested for wearing watches. These days people easily purchase international and luxury brands from online shopping websites. The last one, have you ever received watch as a gift? Yes, I received a golden dazzling watch as a gift from my sister few months ago. I was very happy to see this meaningful gift. When I wear it on my wrist, my heart fell with love for my sister. So I hope this video would be very useful for your test. For watching my coming videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.